Viswa.mfame.guru presents Maritime News in a Minute. Cold seawater used for air conditioning. Make high ocean engineering known for its seawater air conditioning. SWAC has completed a feasibility study for the district cooling system, offering economic and environmental benefits. Fugitive ship runs away. The charging of Fisa Junk, a cargo ship, by the Civil Court of Malta for violating the country's laws has resulted in its absconding from the Greek island of Karpathos. Bangladesh to regulate shipbreaking industry. Bangladesh with its ship recycling bill is all set to uplift the welfare of workforce involved in shipbreaking industry. For more videos, subscribe. Viswa.mfame.guru